Hello, beautiful people around the world. Welcome to Richa's YouTube channel, Believe in You. Today I'm going to speak on how to overcome depression or how to be in high charge mode all the time. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Friends, what I'm going to speak about today is what I have myself used to come out of dark days and dying nights when my friend of 23 years and husband of 18 years and father of my two beautiful kids walked out on all three of us in 2019 until today has not even spoken to his own kids. So you can imagine, I had a daunting task of doing everything on my own, and the most important one was to take care of emotional pain of all three of us, not just myself. So what did I do? Well, firstly, accept the reality. Embrace the pain. Give time to yourself to grieve. And this step, my friends, is extremely important. Without it, you can't really come out of it. So we cried our hearts out, spent many sleepless nights, went to lowest point in my life multiple times, but accepted it and embraced the pain. Secondly, I wrote about my life, journaled all the key events of my life, and that helped me again immensely. Why? Because first I could see a pattern of abusive behavior there and realize that I was totally being made a fool in every possible way. Secondly, I could realize what my mistakes were, and this helped me learn from this pain. Learning from such incidents in your life is extremely important. As I say, I never lose, I only learn. I started taking a great care of myself in all ways, physically, emotionally, spiritually. I joined CultFit, started eating right, did meditation, yoga, dance fitness, cycling, actually tried many different forms of workouts, read many books, started writing, started a YouTube channel and a podcast, became active on LinkedIn, got in touch with my school friends, also made new friends. Earlier, whenever anyone in my layout or in the office used to ask about him, as no one knew by then, I used to feel either bad or embarrassed. So I either used to lie or dodge the question. But slowly, I started saying the truth that we are not together. That's it. And I don't want to talk about it. I also attended many leadership workshops in my office for which I used to travel to different cities as well. Believe me, though I was always ambitious, but always used to take a back seat in my career, and for training I had never gone to another city, so this was the first time I was doing all this. I even chose a totally new role, which again I wanted to do for a long time, but due to the traveling involved in it, I did not, and always kept on giving priority to his career and my kids. It involved a lot of new learning, new relationship building, and lots of hard work, but I decided to leave my comfort zone and just go for it. And so far, I am really enjoying it. I also watched a lot of motivational videos, TED Talks, Mind Valley courses, etc. And these again helped me a lot. Mornings, I remember I used to listen to some or the other motivational podcast and start my day with my run. And that would set the tone of the day. I also started some new activities like trekking, traveling with my kids to some beach places, or going out with them, sitting and talking our hearts out with each other. I also created vision board for the things I wanted and posted positive affirmations near my dressing mirror on my work desk, wrote daily in the mornings, or said to myself all these affirmations looking at the mirror. And I started talking to kids about some of the things rather than hiding away from them. That brought us much closer. They became very matured and understanding. They also started sharing their secrets with me. Of late, I have completed a speaker trainer coach course and regularly started putting content in my channel. All in all, I am living each day. You never know what will happen tomorrow, so make the most of today. And I also started planning and budgeting and saving, which I had never done before. This gave me freedom from financial worries as well. In fact, COVID time gave me a lot of time to think, introspect, understand myself better, love myself better. And today I know that I am ready for anything. Come what may. जो होगा देखा जाएगा. जब इतना कुछ कर लिया अकेले अपने दम पे, तो आगे भी सब देख लूँगी. God is with us, universe is with us. With that, I would like to end this by saying, तूफान में जलती हुई शमा हूँ मैं, बुरा वक्त भी जिसे न मिटा सके वो लम्हा हूँ मैं. That's all for today. Keep smiling, keep shining, keep liking and subscribing to my channel. I post each Sunday, sometimes Saturday. Please suggest a comment if you want to listen about a specific topic. I'm also a problem solver, a coach, so reach me out if you are facing any issues in your personal or professional life. Would love to work with you and help you out. My mail ID is in the description box. Thank you.